parts of the plant. How to draw, I'll explain in this. This is your file or the file sheet you buy. In 1/3 of the file, that is, here we will draw the soil surface first. Soil surface. And here we will draw the root system first. This is the primary root. From the primary root, secondary root arises. We will make 3-4 secondary roots like this. Secondary root. From the secondary root, tertiary root arises. You all know the root is positively geotropic, so the root should go down only. This is the primary root, and from the primary root what is arising? Secondary root arises. From the secondary root, tertiary root arises. Only this much you have to make. And then we will draw the stem. A straight line, but it should look like a stem. Make the stem. From here we will start drawing the leaf. The leaf that we have seen in the plant. And this is the stalk of the leaf, which we call it as petiole. And this is the midrib. This is leaf lamina. Here you draw the veins and its branches also. And like that you go on making the leaf till the tip. And the leaf size you can decrease it or minimize it. See, so they are arranged in alternative manner. Alternate type of leaf they are. So 4 leaves I have made, and this is the next leaf. It is decreasing in size, you can see, and the point of attachment of leaf to the stem is called as node, that we have studied. I said it in the previous video also. And see, here 2 small leaves, and these are the apical buds. At the tip of the plant, apical bud is present. From the axil of the leaf, axillary bud arises. This is axillary bud. From the axil of the leaf, axillary bud arises. You can draw axillary bud over here. Axillary bud arises from the axil of the leaf. And let us label it. This is the leaf. And the stalk of the leaf is petiole. And this is axillary bud. And this is terminal bud. This is internode. The distance between 2 successive nodes, we call it as internode. And we will label nodal region also, node. And here this is the primary root. And this is secondary root, the one that arises laterally, secondary root. And this is tertiary root. Now we will see how to draw the types of root. In types of root, first we will see, you divide into 2 halves. In the upper half, taproot system. And lower half, fibrous root system. Taproot system, first we will draw the soil surface, draw the primary root, and then secondary root, and the tertiary root. This much is sufficient and label them. Now we will draw the fibrous root. Soil surface once again, and you make a oval shaped structure. From here you make the roots in cluster. Here the root arises in cluster. This root also has small rootlets, that is small roots are there. It arises from here also. This is fibrous root. This tap root as well as fibrous root arises from the radicle. Sometimes what happens, this root arises from other than radicle, which you call it as adventitious root. These two diagrams you make it in your file. Thank you.